So guys, I just saw this post from this Facebook page, and this page questions Zolega and Lazarus' relationship, and it just gave a totally different perspective. So I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I think we can all agree that when the relationship started, we all didn't really trust Lazarus. In fact, I for one don't trust him even now. I just don't think that he's good for Zolega. Also, people are uncomfortable with the fact that him and his friend never have access to Zolega's assets and money. So many viewers of the show suspected that he's in this relationship to swindle Zolega's money. And besides that, the arguments that Lazarus and Zolega are having recently are proving that the Lazarus is a problem and that he's controlling, which is a sign that this relationship will never work. But then this video is not about that. This video is about the post that was shared by this page that I'm talking about. So the admin of this page came and shared a totally different perspective. They posted this picture with a very interesting caption, and the caption says, I quote, "What if Lazarus has always loved Zolega from the beginning? What if he deliberately sent her to America to keep her away from Hlat? And it ends like that." Ladies and gentlemen, I bet no one ever thought about this. No one ever thought about this, and I think that this is interesting. So those who watch the early episodes of Inimba will know that Lazarus chose Zolega to go overseas instead of Sydney, knowing very well that Sydney was more deserving than Zolega. He then again begged Zolega to come back overseas, and then after she came back, he gave her a CEO position against Sid. Now Sydney should be arrested, and now that Sydney should be arrested, Lazarus doesn't want him to be arrested. So my question here is, what if you know that Sydney was the most deserving in all those cases, and also that he didn't get those positions because he was busy sabotaging him? This is really funny. So I created this video, guys, because I thought that this was something to think about. Now, I want to request you to comment in the comment section. Share, what do you think about this topic? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.